Therapists. Most people think AI is just for generating images and writing emails, but therapy is becoming a widely adopted AI application in 2025. Apps like Wobot and Replica are providing 24/7 mental health support to millions. These AI therapists use cognitive behavioral therapy techniques, remember your personal history, and never judge you. While they can't replace human therapists entirely, they're filling gaps in mental health care access and helping people practice difficult conversations before real therapy sessions. Influencers. Virtual influencers are making real money. Meet Lil Miquela. She has millions of Instagram followers and has never existed. AI-generated virtual influencers are becoming brand ambassadors, posting sponsored content, and earning significant brand income. Companies love them because they're scandal-proof, always available for shoots, and can be designed to perfectly match target demographics. The whaled part? Studies show audiences engage with virtual influencers almost as much as real ones, especially Gen Z users who grew up with digital-first experiences. Architects. AI is designing your dream home. Before you see it, tools like Interior AI and Planner 5D are using artificial intelligence to generate custom 3D designs that accurately reflect client spaces and tastes. Upload a photo of your room, describe your style, and AI creates dozens of design options in minutes. Interior designers are using this to show clients exactly how their vision will look before spending thousands on furniture. Some AIs can even help factor in your budget and lifestyle needs. Musicians. Music AIs are creating hit songs you've already heard. AI via can generate new songs in more than 250 different styles in a matter of seconds. And major record labels are quietly using AI for everything from melody creation to mixing. Some artists are experimenting with AI-generated elements in songs without listeners knowing. Artists use AI to overcome writer's block, generate backing tracks, and even create entire demo versions of songs before human musicians perfect them. We're facing a tsunami of AI-generated songs, from amateur musicians to major artists. Lawyers. AI lawyers are winning real court cases. AI legal assistants aren't just researching cases, they help lawyers analyze thousands of legal documents in hours, find relevant precedents human lawyers might miss, and draft legal briefs. Law firms using AI are completing discovery processes faster and spotting contract risks that human reviewers typically miss. Police. Smart cities use AI to predict crime before it happens. Police departments are using predictive AI to allocate resources and prevent crimes. By analyzing patterns in historical crime data, weather conditions, local events, and social media sentiment, AI can predict where crimes are likely to occur with notable accuracy. Some cities have reported reductions in crime in targeted areas. The technology considers factors like payday schedules, school holidays, and even sports game outcomes to forecast criminal activity. Chefs. AI food scientists are creating impossible flavors. Food companies are using AI to create entirely new flavors and improve existing recipes. By analyzing molecular structures and taste preferences from millions of consumers, AI can predict which flavor combinations are likely to be hits before anyone tastes them. Impossible Foods used AI to create their plant-based bleeding burger, and major beverage companies use AI to optimize sugar reduction while maintaining taste. Some AIs can even design personalized nutrition plans based on your genetics and health goals. Doctors. Virtual doctors are diagnosing better than humans. AI medical assistants are showing high accuracy in specific diagnostic tasks. Google's AI can detect diabetic eye disease with 90% accuracy from phone camera photos, while IBM's Watson can recommend cancer treatments by analyzing patient data against thousands of medical studies. Emergency rooms use AI to triage patients and spot life-threatening conditions in X-rays quickly. AI dermatologists can identify skin cancer from smartphone photos with impressive accuracy. Farmers. AI farmers are growing food in space conditions. Vertical farms are using AI to grow crops in warehouses, abandoned buildings, and even prepare for Mars colonization. These systems monitor thousands of variables: humidity, light spectrum, nutrients, temperature, and adjust conditions in real time for optimal growth. AI farms use less water than traditional farming, grow year-round, and can produce significantly more food per square foot. Some facilities are already growing fresh vegetables in urban centers, reducing transportation emissions and ensuring food security in harsh climates. Assistance. Personal AI assistants are managing your entire life. Life organization is one of the top AI use cases, with AI assistants that go way beyond setting reminders. Modern AI can assist with your schedule, automatically reschedule meetings when flights are delayed, order groceries based on your meal plans, and even help manage bills. Some AI assistants learn your preferences so well they can book restaurants you'll love, suggest optimal travel routes, and handle email responses in your writing style. Explorers. AI archaeologists are discovering lost civilizations. Archaeologists are using AI to analyze satellite imagery and discover ancient sites that human eyes might miss. Machine learning algorithms can spot subtle ground patterns that indicate buried structures, roads, and settlements. Recent AI discoveries include potential new sites of Mayan cities, Roman roads across Europe, and Viking settlements in North America. The technology can process decades of satellite data in days, identifying potential dig sites and helping preserve cultural heritage. Meteorologists. Smart weather. AI in cloud seeding and climate control. Cloud seeding operations now use AI to better control when and where it rains. By analyzing atmospheric conditions in real time, AI systems can determine optimal moments to release particles that trigger precipitation. Dubai increased rainfall using AI-directed cloud seeding, while ski resorts use AI to create better snow conditions. These systems improve the effectiveness of weather modification, but cannot guarantee rain on demand. AI isn't just changing individual industries, it's reshaping how we live, work, and solve humanity's biggest challenges. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.